So if you're ever out in the wild and you just wanted to know how do people that go on hikes not carry a ton of water, the answer is Katadyn Vario. So it's really simple. You have your other end, you stick it in the water, you pump. It's a two-way action, so it fills up really fast. This bottom hooks straight onto a 32-ounce Nalgene wide mouth, and so it's super useful for when you're hiking in the wild. Of course, when you use it, you have to make sure you keep it clean. Of course, bacteria and things like that can grow in it. There's different types of bacteria based off of different living conditions. So say like there's no sunlight, there's bacteria for that. If there's no CO2, there's bacteria for that. If there's no bicarbonate, there's bacteria for that. There's pretty much bacteria that can grow in any environment. So that's really why you want to keep these things clean. So I just you can take yours apart just by pulling it out. This is the microfilter, so this is what's going to take out all the little things, and then here's what's going to take out the big chunks. So this is a ceramic filter. Well, but in these ceramic filters and on these other filters, you see these gaskets. Well, you see this one right here, the one that's coming up at an angle, that's really loose. So basically there's getting leaked by, and some water sources that might not be a big deal, but it could actually be a bit of a deal if you find the wrong one. So it's almost like you're drinking straight out of the stream. So I figured that out. Now we're gonna change all the gaskets on here, and so you're also gonna want to change out these filters. See how that's getting dirty? I'm gonna need to change these out here pretty soon, and they should already come with a new gasket. So if you just want to change out your filters straight up, this ceramic filter should last quite a while. It's just ceramic, so it's not going to change, but this will gunk up, and on the inside they'll start to get some biofouling. Actually, I'll probably just end up changing this one out, but for the video I'll show you how to take off all the gaskets and things like that. So this right here, there's a bit of screwing action going on, but then at the very end you do have to pull it off. So oh shoot, my gasket just snapped instead. I'll tell you that was part of the problem. So yeah, these gaskets will get old and end up coming apart just as it is. So just get something kind of with a sharper point. They usually have like those picks. You can get some picks going on here, but otherwise you just kind of get in with your knife. You can pull that gasket straight off there. Similarly with I already did it with this one, but it's just a larger gasket for this one. There would have been that second gasket here. So there's a gasket here and a gasket here. And then on the very end, I don't know if they have a replacement for it in here. No, they don't have a replacement for it. But there's a gasket here as well. And this gasket ends up seating right here at the very end of your thing. There should, I don't know if there is, but there should be probably a gasket here. And there isn't. Okay, that's fine. I'd have probably put one though, just to seat on the mouth, but different engineers, and so yeah, once you get that, there'll be a bag that comes with your Nalgene, and that'll have all the different sizes of gaskets you'll end up needing. Huh. Where does this one go? That's what I want to know. Might have been missing that thing for a while. So it doesn't go there. Extra parts. I don't like that. 4 of them too. I think you'd put them there, but yeah, there's not too many parts to this, so these, I don't have no idea where these gaskets go. They're way too big. But you do have these replacements right here. And then, yeah, so that's all you do. Oh, it might be... No, one go there. Yeah, it's extra parts, apparently. And then, of course, when you put your gasket on, you're gonna put a little bit of the lubricant on there, just to seat it. So, what I'm gonna do now, instead of messing around with this, is just go grab an extra filter at least. And if this isn't too much, I'll probably just replace this just to get a full reset. Plastics, they warp, and so you may as well just buy new if you can. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'll be back.